Today, I'm going to show you how to delete the conversation history in X.com, formerly known as Twitter, using the privacy settings inside your account. This is a quick and simple process, and it's useful if you want to clear past conversations and keep your account more organized. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your X.com account and look at the left side navigation bar. At the bottom of that menu, click More. This will open up additional account options and settings that are not shown in the main navigation area. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X.com keeps most of the account controls, privacy options, and safety settings. Once you're inside Settings and Privacy, click Privacy and Safety. This section is where you can manage your data, account visibility, and connected features. Next, find and click Grok and third-party collaborators. This option controls activity related to Grok and any connected services that may interact with your account data. After that, you'll see the option to delete conversation history. Click it to begin the process of clearing your conversation records. A confirmation prompt will appear, and this is the final step before the history is removed. To finish, click Delete in the confirmation window. Once you confirm, your conversation history will be deleted from X.com. And that's it, you've successfully deleted the conversation history in X.com or Twitter. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more simple step-by-step guides like this one.